Hello, I'm audible. Hello, good morning, good evening, everyone. Okay, so today is class number 7 for Chakravyuh. I welcome you all to the MCQ session for continuity and differentiability. Okay, so we're going to solve some good amount of questions, bacha. Total number of questions we're going to solve today will be almost 30. Okay, we'll solve 30 questions today. Let's see how many of you are here. Let's solve, bacha, all these questions. Okay, so yes, I'm just waiting for you guys to join, and then I will be starting with your questions. Okay, so let's just wait a couple of more seconds. All right, yes, so I hope I'm audible, right? Can you hear me? Is audio and visuals coming properly? Just give me a comment. Yes. Okay, so I think I'm audible, right? Just let me know in the comment section if you can hear me properly, if you can see me, if you can see the session properly. Okay, so I'm just waiting for you guys to join for a few minutes and start with the questions. Okay, so I prepared a good amount of questions which are from NCERT. Again, I'll tell you, these questions will be very important for your boards, but can play a vital role in your examinations for KSET as well, because two reasons are there. Concepts will be almost similar, right? The questions are a little different, but concept will be similar. Again, one more thing is there, bacha, that 50% the weightage in your results in the rank will be given from your boards, right? That's why even that will play a very good role. Okay, so that's why very important both for KSET and your boards. Yes, the questions will not be directly the same all the time. Some questions will be same, okay, but most of the questions will be different. But this is the building block, bacha, for your KSET. That's why it's also important. So let me start with the question number 1. I think I'm audible now. So question number 1, let's see, for your class number 7, continuity and differentiability. So here, bacha, the function fx given as greater integer function of x is continuous for, we know all the answer for this function, we know, right? We have to draw the graph to understand this, right? Check it over here. So if you draw the graph, you'll see this. That's how the graph of this step function or your greatest integer function looks like. Correct? Means at every integral value, what happens is the function is having a break. What I mean by this is -1, -2, 0, 1, 2. Sorry, 2 is here, 3 is here. This is not 2, okay? This is 1 only. So at every integral value, what happens to the function? It has a break, bacha. That's why it's going to be discontinuous at all the integers. So for x belongs to all the integers, the not whether plus or minus, okay, and even 0. What happens, bacha? The fx is discontinuous, sir. Hence, the answer would be continuous at all real numbers except for integers. That's why r minus z. All real numbers except for integers. Okay, r minus z is the right answer. Option number C. So I hope all of you got this answer correct. Okay, I have some comments. Let's read it quickly, sir. When you starting crash course, bacha, we are working on it. We'll get back with you to you with the update very quickly. Yes, sir. Can I check KSET if start preparing from today and how to manage boards? Okay, bacha, again, so we'll talk about all of this. But KSET, I hope you're prepared for this, right? You can't start from today, right? You already prepared for things. You have watched the sessions, right? So Kanchana, I'm answering to your question. Bacha, you have to, whatever time you've had at your hand, okay, first prioritize that time for boards. Give all of your time to boards. Two reasons: the percentage, 50% weightage is there. That's why very important to get good marks in boards. And then, bacha, you have to, again, whatever time you have left, you can get the crash course. Right now, our offline course is available. Okay, you can visit. It's both residential and race scholar. So you can choose either of the options and take that course, and this will help you prepare your entire process and get a good rank in your KSET. Okay, so I hope you answer your question. Why not B? Why not B? But I said no right now. Option B will be only integers, right? At integers, what happens? There's a break in the function. Then how is it continuous? Continuous is a smooth graph. Okay, a graph like this. Check this out. Over here. If you approach this from the left and right, you'll have a same value, right? But if you approach this value from the left, what is the value, sir? 1. From the right, value, sir, 2. Correct. Now if you approach this value, x equals to 1 from the left side, approach x equals to 1 from the left side, what happens? The value is, bacha, 1. When you approach x value to 1 from the right side, what is the value, bacha? Value of the function is 2. Are they same? No, it means that's why they are discontinuous. So I hope this is clear, bacha. Ravi Kumar Pujari, I hope I answered your question. Not B because of the discontinuity at the point Z. There's a break in the function. Okay, so I'll continue with the question number 2 now. Okay, chaliye. So question number 2, the greatest integer function defined by fx equal to greatest integer of x is discontinuous and not differentiable at x equals to 1. Option number D. Why, sir? If a function is discontinuous, bacha, it cannot be differentiable. Okay, that's why discontinuous we proved right now, and non-differentiable as well. Okay, so don't get trapped in the statement continuous but not differentiable. Okay, so it is discontinuous at x equals to 1. How come, sir? Integer, bacha. What happens is we know it is continuous, no, but not at integer. So I hope this option is clear. Option is D. Okay. Now I'll move on to question number 3. Suppose f and g be two real functions, continuous, at real number c, then algebra of functions, right? Algebra of continuity means f plus g, f into g, f minus g, f by g. How this works out, there's a concept like this given to you in NCERT. I hope you have all studied that. I have taught you that in my sessions as well. So I hope you can answer. I'll just wait for your answer, just few seconds, then give you answer. So question number 3, give me the answer, which is right. Question number 3, what is the right answer? Tell me. F by g is continuous at x equal to c, provided g and c is not equal to 0. Correct, right? This is incorrect. Not discontinuous. Not discontinuous. No. So option number D is correct, bacha. It will be D simply, sir. Question number 3 option is D, sir. Okay. Now, so I hope this is clear. Guys, please leave your answers in comment. Which option you feel it is correct. Okay. We have a lot of questions to solve today. We'll complete this chapter in one shot. Ravi Kumar is saying D. Correct, bacha. Right answer. But you can answer it quickly so that I can give you some time as well for that. Okay, so we have total of 30 questions to solve today, which will be again starting from the simpler ones to go to the next level. Okay, which challenges you in the MCQ, means that question can be challenging for 1 mark. Okay, so question number 3 is done. Let's move on to question number 4. Which one of the following is not true? So we have to read all the 4 statements. Every polynomial function is continuous. Every rational function is continuous. Every differentiable function is continuous. Every continuous function is differentiable. Option D is not true, right? We're looking for not true statement. Very important to know this, what we're looking for. What happens is sometimes we get trapped in the statement only and forget for this line, okay, is not true. Think about it. Every continuous function is differentiable. Not necessary, sir. We can have, think about it. Modulus function. Is it continuous, bacha? Yes, it's continuous, sir. Is it differentiable, sir? No, bacha. Slope here is positive, slope here is negative. So differentiation will be of two different. The LHD and RHD are not equal. It means not differentiable at the point x equals to 0. So I can just give you example right now. Continuous but not differentiable. So this statement is not true. So the correct option will be D. Understand this. Not true but correct option is D because they're asking for not true. Okay. Chaliye. Okay, Girish, good bacha, good evening, Girish. Okay, so I hope Girish is here. He was one of the students who answered a lot of questions. So let's see your participation today also, bacha, and his answer was almost correct. I'll let you know. So we'll go for more questions. Let's see. Question number 5 now. A function f is said to be continuous for x belongs to real number if f is continuous, okay, continuous at x equal to 0. But no, we're talking about only one point, right? We are saying for entire real number. So this can't be a right option. Differentiable at one point, not again a real option, not a good option. No, right. Option D looks good. So basically these questions are based upon the definition, bacha. Okay, what happens is if you have a little bit less knowledge about the definitions of these properties, you lose marks. Remember, when I came for a decode NCERT, I told you to read the definitions. Okay, very important in that. Why? To answer these kind of questions in your NCERT. Okay, so that's why option becomes D. Hi Pavan, good evening. Okay, so option is D, bacha. Moving to question number 6. Let's solve. I hope fifth all of you got right. Yeah. So I'll move on to bacha now question number 6. If y equal to sine log x, then dy by dx is how much? Okay, yes, I get it. The questions are a little simpler because we have done this question so many times. All of you, you and me, we have done these kind of questions. Not this one particularly, but we have done this kind of questions so many times in the Brahmastra series, in our test series, in our revision series. A lot of things are going on right now. Okay, in the continuity, in the like all this thing, and the code NCERT also taught you some of the concepts there, what to do, how to do it. So yes, we have done these things so many times, but still it's very important to not lag the intensity at the last minute. Okay, so Girish is saying C, Ravi Kumar is saying C. Is it right? Yes, right. Sine definition is going to be sine's derivative is bacha cos, whatever is inside will remain same. Okay, and then differentiate log, it'll become bacha 1 by x. So cos log x by x is the answer. Option C is correct. So all of you are actually getting the right answer. Don't worry, they are not very simple. They are actually questions from your textbooks. Okay, so if you are able to solve this, means you are on a good track to get your good marks in boards. Okay, very good preparation. Chaliye. So we are gonna continue here. We'll have more questions. Don't worry about it. We'll have more questions. There are not many questions. So continuity questions actually, I can hear you what you're trying to say whenever the question is given like this. Fx is defined in this way. Two functions are given and the continuity is there. I have taken that question also. I have taken those questions also. This is for Girish. Okay, Girish, I have taken those questions also. Don't worry. Okay. So for this question, let's see. E power. This is a very good question because different students will have a different approach to solve this question. Okay. And they'll have different answers because of that. So this can confuse sometimes. So I want all of you to answer this question. Yeah. So seventh one, Girish is saying A, Ravi is saying A. Okay. So let's see, how can we solve it? Simply just take bacha x cube equals to t. X cube equals to t. Okay, when you do that, this function becomes y equal to et. Sir, but we are looking for dy by dx. How differentiate this? Chain rule, sir. Take this like this. dy by dx equals to d y by dt times of dt by dx. Correct, na? When you do that, what will happen? Think about it. What will happen, sir? It will become e power t as it is, and you have to differentiate x cube also, which will be 3x square. If you write the answer for this, check this out. You're gonna get this as e power t is what? So e power x cube and 3x square. Option A. So that's why I'm telling you, if the concepts are very clear, you can get any question. Just have the right approach, bacha. Okay. So yes, both of you were right, Girish and Ravi. So question number 7 is done. These are simple questions that I'm doing quickly. I hope the speed is not too much. Let me know if you feel I should slow down. This question, can you solve this question? Question number 8, let me know. The y function is given like this. We have to find the differentiation. So I think I already have some options yet to receive. Let's see question number 8. What is your answer, bacha? What is your answer for question number 8? Okay, I'll wait for a couple of seconds, then move on with the solution. Let's see. So can you differentiate it? Any answer so far? Still waiting. Still waiting, sir. Okay. Now okay, I'll solve it now. So do we have to find the derivative, bacha? Y dash y1, whatever you wanna call. Let's see if you have taken the y as this, no? A power x, x power a, and a power a. Derivative means this is a constant, so 0. A power a is a constant, no? A is a constant. A power a is a constant only. Derivative of that will be 0, sir. Over here we will have a derivative. So y dash will be equal to, check this out, a power x ln a, okay, plus a times of x power a minus 1. For this, I'll have exponential functions and differentiation. For this, I'll have a polynomial function differentiation. Okay, this is my answer. A power x ln a plus a times of x power a minus 1. Option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Yeah, Girish. So you've got the right answer. Very good. Okay. So I'll move on to question number 9 is done. 8 is done. Okay. Let's move on to bacha question number 9. This one, question number 9. What is the answer? Tell me. Come on, all of you. 1 minute for you to solve. Sometimes what happens in this kind of question, just look at the question and try to do steps in your mind. You'll get the right answer. Hello Karnataka. Try bacha, come on. Question number 9. Let's see if you can solve it. It's a good question. Not difficult though. Simple only, but good question. Okay. So you can see the level will keep increasing as we go in the problems. I've taken thoughts also. The problems level will be that bacha. I don't want to take very difficult questions in the beginning and demotivate you. Okay. Simpler questions first, and then we keep increasing the level of the problem. Okay, sir. Ravi Kumar is saying C. Others, come on. Give me a comment, bacha. Question number 9. C is correct answer actually. C is correct, sir. Good, bacha. C is correct. Okay. Everybody is saying C. Karunakar Kashalapur. I hope I have reading your name right. Okay, so you have also said option C. Everybody said option C only. So correct. Let me just solve it to show you how. Differentiate, bacha. What we're gonna differentiate first? Sec, sir. If you want, you can take this in the form of again chain rule. Okay, take this as theta. But don't worry. Differentiation of sec, bacha, is what is going to be sec whatever it is times tan. Multiplication, right? Sec times of tan. Correct now? And is it enough? No, sir. We have to differentiate whatever is inside as well. What is that going to be, bacha? Differentiation of tan. We will become sec square whatever is inside. Okay. How much is that? Root x. What about this? Sir, tan of root x. What about this? Tan of root x. Is it over now? No, sir. We have done first differentiation of sec, then for tan root x, we have to do one more time chain rule for root x also. That will become, bacha, again multiplication is there, 1 by 2 root x. How come, bacha? Root x means x power 1 by 2. Now differentiate this, it will become what, sir? It will become 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 minus 1. So same thing, now it comes in denominator, so 1 by 2 root x. So if you club all this together, write all the numerators together, you're going to get this sec of tan, this into tan of tan into sec square by 2 root x. By 2 root x. It's a multiplication, okay? This is in the denominator. Okay? So answer, bacha, question number 9. Option is C. Correct. Hi Bharat, bacha, I don't know that great Kannada. Okay, I know a little bit, I can understand little, but not that great. So forgive me for that. Right now, let me get back to the question. Okay, so Bharat, give me answers also. Question number 9 is done. Question number 10 shall we solve? Okay, 9 is okay, bacha. Question number 10. Okay, so y equal to cos root of x. This is simple. If you can solve 9, then this is easy. I want all of you to answer this quickly. Question number 10. Chaliye. I'll wait. Question number 10. Yes. So if y equal to cos of root x, then dy by dx is how much? Then dy by dx is how much? So I am getting the answers now. I'm getting the answers now. Everybody is saying D, and I think option D is correct. Let's solve it to verify. Okay, so if I'm solving it, cos, bacha, will become y dash, sir. Cos will become minus sign. Same thing will repeat. Okay, root x, and then differentiate root x, 1 by 2 root x. Combine it, minus sign root x by 2 root x. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. Okay, let's move on with this question quickly. The derivative of 2, okay, this is a good question. Y equals to, I have 2 root of cot x square. Solve it, sir. Yes, sir, agrees, sir. I will increase the speed. Okay. Let others also solve. I don't think I'm going very slow. Am I? Okay. So, question number 11. Come on. Solve it. Question number 11. Okay. Give me the answer, bacha. $11 is C. Yeah, correct only. Yes. What is missing over here? X square is missing. These two, if you compare, na, X square is missing. So option number C is correct. Option number C is correct. Okay. So let me just solve it quickly for you guys. so I can take bacha y dash as, take 2 common, differentiate this, 1 by 2 will come because of the polynomial rule. The power is root, no, root means power, okay, of 1 by 2. This will come in denominator because of the root, making it to be negative. Cot x square will come. Now differentiate cot bacha will become minus cosec square, whatever is the angle, so that is x square. Differentiate it again, x square, getting it as 2x, sir. Okay, so what I'm getting bacha here, this 2 and this 2 will cancel. I'm getting the result as minus sign will come front, 2 is there. I have x over here, then I have cosec square x square divided by root of cot x square. Okay, root of cot x square, option C is correct. Question number 11, option number C is correct. Yes. Okay, now moving on to question number 12 now. Y equal to cos of log x plus e power x, find the derivative again. Okay, I know the question is simpler, but you have to solve in very quick time because of the MCQ. You have to solve very quick, bacha. 1 marker only. You can't spend 3-4 minutes to solve these questions. That's why the difficulty level increases. Questions are good, simpler only to solve for 1 mark. That's what matters. Okay, chaliye. So what is the answer for this 12th one? I'll solve it. Okay, cos differentiation bacha will become minus sign. The angle will remain as it is. Check this out. Log x plus e power x. Again comes bacha, you have chain rule, means product 1 by x plus e power x. Am I right? So option number D is correct. Yes, Girish. So everybody is giving right answers. Good. It means this time around you should get all the marks in MCQ. 15 out of 15 should be there in MCQ. Okay, all of you? Yes. So 12th one is done. Let's move on to question number 13, because I can see all of you are getting right answers. Okay, all of you, not even one is getting incorrect. The derivative of e log ex. I'm not going to solve it. Give me the answer. 13th one. I'm not solving it. Give me the right answer, bacha. Okay, 13th one. Shaktali Talshidar. Come on, answer for 13th one, bacha. No need to solve it. Do I need to solve it? No, sir. Come on, I'm not solving this question. From your side, I want the answer and I want the right answer. Yes, start getting the answers now. I think everybody is getting the same answer. Yes, okay. Option number C is correct. I don't have to solve it, do I? E log ex. Log and e. Log and exponential function are both inverse functions. It means cancelling the effect will become simply x. Differentiate x bacha 1. Okay, differentiate x bacha 1. Yes bacha. Okay, what are you saying? E log x by x. Karnataka is saying something. I'm not getting a question bacha. E log x by x. Is it like that? No bacha, it's e log na. E to the power log x to the base e. If you want to write it like this, e to the power ln x. E and ln are inverse functions, right? So they'll cancel each other's effect. Basically this form, root and a square, inverse of each other, no? They can cancel each other's effect. Means they will have inverse operations, root and a square. You can cancel them, and whatever is the answer, they'll remain as it is. Same thing. Okay? I hope this clears your doubt. If you are having anything like that. Question number 14, shall I move on to? Yes. Y equal to cos inverse of e power x. Solve this question, come on. Question number 14. Okay. Question number 14, bacha. Alright, bacha, it's okay. I hope you got the answer right. Even if you're not able to type it, I hope you're getting the answer, what I wrote over here. Okay. So, question number 14. What is the answer, sir? Guys, come on, tell me quickly. 14. Girish, Shakat Ali, Tashaldir. Okay. B, D. I'm getting different answers. Good. B, D. Good. Okay. So, B again. Somebody saying B, somebody saying D. Okay, Girish, B you are saying. Okay, bacha, I think answer is option B only. Right? Answer is option B only. Let's check, bacha. How? I'll show you how. So if you check over here, y equals to cos inverse of e power x is there, right? Remember the formula, y equals to, if I have cos inverse of theta, differentiate this given by minus 1 upon, remember this, 1 minus theta square, 1 minus theta square, right? So it will become bacha minus 1 upon 1 minus e power x the square. Chain rule will apply on e power x, so differentiate e power x, it will become same e power x square. Simplify this, minus e power x divided by root of 1 minus e power 2x, na? Power to power gets multiplied, right? X, e power x to power 2, power gets multiplied, so e power 2x. Clear? Okay, so that's why minus e power x upon root of 1 minus e power 2x is the right answer. Okay, have a look. Option B is correct. Okay, these are just to help you with the solution. Okay, check this out. So moving on now to question number 15. This you'll solve, everyone. Come on, give me the answer for this question. Question number 15, all of you. So let me know once you are able to solve it. I'll give you a few seconds to solve. Do you need more than that? I don't think so, because you're giving all the answers quickly and they're almost right. Okay, come on. So question number 15. Okay, I'll just wait for some time. C, I'm getting one answer as C. Okay, all right, let's solve, bacha. C, I'm getting a lot of answers as C. I feel answer is D though. I think answer is D though. Yeah, answer is D. I think answer is D, no, because the bacha 2 will come 2 times, na? One time because of the outer root and the one time because of the inside root. There are 2 times root, so 1 by 2 will come 2 times. So it will become 1 by 4, right? Yeah, Variza is also saying D only, I think. I think the option D is correct, bacha. Let's solve it. Y equals to, I have a root of e power root x. Okay, differentiate this now. Y dash equals to, this bacha will come in front, so 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, this will remain as it is, e power root x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1, right? Then you have to differentiate it once again, okay, for e power root x, which will become same e power root x only. Okay, and now you have to differentiate for root x also. Will become, sir, what? 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1. Is it longer and difficult to understand? I have differentiated 3 times. First for this root, the polynomial rule. Second bacha for this exponential function. Next bacha for the root x. So there are 3 differentiations together. Which formula? Chain rule. Okay. These silly mistakes are being done in exam. I know, bacha, I can understand this. Even when I was a student, I used to do these silly mistakes. But what you can do to avoid it? First of all, you should be having no doubts in your concept. How to do it, you should be very clear with it. Once you know that, practice some problems on it. Okay, so if you are doing a mistake in this kind of question, how to avoid that? Solve that question right away. You know, right? You have made a mistake means you know that mistake, right? Solve that question right away. Solve more and more mock papers. Solve more and more questions. When you do that, you avoid any chance of making any mistake. Okay, so please, the practice only is the way to get rid of silly mistakes. Because you are good in conceptual mistake, right? Means you are good in concept. That's why there is no conceptual mistake. If you're bad in concept, means you'll make conceptual mistake, you'll miss the formula, you'll forget the formula, you'll write wrong formula. That is not happening. It means silly mistakes are there. How can you get rid of that? By practice. Okay, so check this out. 2 is here, 2 is here. So 1 by 4 is coming. Then we have, bacha, root will have negative. So e power, root of e power x will come like that. Okay, we'll also have root x over here. Root x, and this will be e power x. So which makes option D correct. Okay, it's a good question though. It's a good question. Because of this complexity of the root, no, it makes sometimes challenging. You can make a mistake. Anybody can make a mistake. Okay, so but with practice that can be avoided at the same time. Question number 16 now, derivative of e power sine inverse of x. Come on, give me the answer for this, bacha. Question number 16. I'm waiting for all of you. Come on. Shaukat, Ali, Ravi Kumar, Variza, come on. Kanadiga, Sulochana, all of you, bacha, answer question number 16. Okay, derivative of E sine inverse of x okay, it will become, you have to differentiate this, so it will become same, y dash will become e power sine inverse of x as it is. Okay, then you have to differentiate sine inverse of x, it will become 1 upon 1 minus x square. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, option A is correct, bacha. Rocky said, I think I got an answer, then he reiterated. Rocky said C, bacha. C will be there, bacha, only if it was cos inverse of x. If it was e power cos inverse of x, so they will become minus. For sine inverse, it's positive, right? For sine inverse, the differentiation is positive of this term. Okay, so cos inverse will be negative. So that's why the option C was right in that case. It will become e power cos inverse of x divided by 1 minus x square with the negative sign. I hope you are okay, bacha. You're okay with this answer? 16, option A is correct. Everybody got this answer. Moving on to question number 17. Okay, all right. Y equal to log of cos e power x, then dy by dx. Okay, find this differentiation. Can we do this? Y equal to log of cos e power x. Simple question, I think. This one is very simple. I can do it from my side only. It will become, first of all, cos of e power x is there, right? It will become 1 by cos of e power x. Okay, then if differentiate cos, it will become minus sine e power x. Then differentiate again e power x, it will become e power x only. I'm getting here minus e power x tan of e power x. No, option A is correct. Option A is correct, bacha. Sulochana, you have forgot to differentiate e power x, bacha. You have to differentiate e power x also, no, chain rule. Differentiate e power x, okay. So answer should be option number A. 17 answer is A, bacha. Please check. Okay, this is visible. All right. Great. A is correct. Let's move on now to question number 18. Okay. This question, this is from NCERT. I hope all of you remember this question doing in the classroom, right? NCERT question. Solve it please from your side. Question number 18. Okay, and give me the right answer. Sir, you remember the answer. Don't just give me the answer options. Solve it from your side. Come on. I've done this similar kind of question. Remember this? E power x cube I've done already. It came as 3x square e power x cube. Right? Right? Yeah. Okay. Question number 18. Come on. What is the answer coming, bacha? Find this differentiation and put x equals to 1 in the differentiation. You're going to get the answer of one of the options. Okay. Chaliye. Come on. Waiting for you guys. A. Starting getting the answer. Shaila is saying B. Okay. Kanadika is saying A. Okay. Variza is saying B. I'm waiting for more answers, bacha. Let's see. I think Kanadika is about to change his answer. Why, bacha? Same mistake. Okay. Let's check. Wait for this. Okay. Shaukat Ali Tahsildar is saying B. B is correct. B is correct, sir. Let's check how. Differentiate this from here. Y dash is equals to e power x as it is. This will become 2x times of e power x square. Correct, na? This will become 3 times of x square times of e power x cube and so on till 5 x power 4 e power of x 5. Okay. Put x as 1, bacha. It will become e. It will become 2e. It will become 3e. 1 second. It will become still till 5e. No. So 5 plus 4. We also have 4e here. 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15e. 15e. Option B is correct. What is the future in maths? Okay. Isn't there a lot of future in maths? Don't you think? A lot of things are there, bacha. It'll take a lot of time to discuss that part. Architecture is there, a lot of subject knowledge is there. It helps you develop your problem solving skills. Okay, you can become a teacher if you want to, if you like this profession. Okay, you can become a teacher of mathematics. Okay, you can become a professor. You can with maths you can learn to code. All these things are there, right? So a lot of things are built upon mathematics, right? Engineering, Okay, lot of things are there, bacha. The world is running because of the engineers. How does that happen? Because of mathematics. So a lot of future are there, bacha. You have to choose your field of interest, of course, but yeah, future is there. Okay, so let's move on to question number 19. Okay, so I hope all of you got the answer right. Previous one was B. Okay, let's see. Question number 19. Y equals to sin x square. Y equals to sin x square. Differentiate this. Differentiate this. Come on. Give me the answer. This is a simple question. Okay. It'll become y dash equals to sin becomes cos, so cos x square, and then differentiate x square, so 2x. Option C. Option C. Okay, so all of you got the right answer. Okay, Pratima, everyone has got the right answer. Shokatali, Karadiga, all of you got the right answer. I'll move on to question number 20 now. This one, come on, solve this. Second derivative. Quickly, give me the answer. Second derivative. All of you should give me the right answer for this question. Okay, 20th problem. Come on, come on, come on. I hope you got your answer. Karadiga, is math important? Yes, sir. Okay. Future in mathematics. Good to have those questions in the classes. Keeps your mood little light. Okay. So yes, all of you answer were right. Variza, Shokatali, Karadiga, Pratima, Varizan. 20th B option. You're saying? It's correct, bacha. 20th is B option. Very good, Variza. That's right. Shokatali also saying B. Karadiga is saying A. Check your answer, bacha. There will be 2 minus sign, no? Once you will get this for positive, this will be negative, but if you differentiate again, it will become again negative. Okay, check this out. Y dash will be bacha, A keep as it is, sign becomes cos. Okay, and then keep B as it is, this becomes minus sign. Right? Differentiate again, Y double dash, it becomes minus A sin x, because cos becomes minus, no? Over here, bacha, I'll take this again with a negative sign, no? 1 second. I'll take minus sign common outside, and it becomes minus B sin bacha becomes cos, so B cos x. I have minus both places, take common, becomes A sin x plus B cos x minus as it is. This is what's y only, no? So double dash is simply coming as y, negative of y. Option B is correct. Yes. So everybody got the answer. B is correct answer, bacha. Okay, please check. B is the correct answer. We'll move on to question 21. Just have a look. Okay. The function of f, function f is given by fx equals to mod of x minus 1. Okay. Okay, I think this question is repeated. Okay. All right. Not this question, but I think there's a different similar kind of question was there, not the same, similar was there. Okay, so please check function f is given by mod of x minus 1. Draw this graph. X equals to 1, sir. Graph will be this. So continuous at this point, but non-differentiable, no? Continuous but non-differentiable. Please check this out. So I'm getting the answers already. Variza is giving me the right answer. Yeah, Pratima is also giving me the correct answer. Correct, bacha. B is correct, no? Okay. This is the graph, right? Mod of x minus 1. At x equal to 1, the graph is 0, rest all positive. Please check. 21, don't know. Why? Check now, mod of x minus 1, right? Mod means, this is the graph how it looks like. Shifting the graph towards right. Transformation, bacha, fx equals to mod x is the graph, right? Remember the transformations you have learnt already. If you are writing this x with x minus a, okay, what happens to the graph? Shifts towards right. All of you please pay attention. When you have mod of x written like this, how the graph looks like this, sir. If you have mod of x minus a, the graph goes a units right, a units this way. Okay, if you have mod of x plus a transformation, what happens? Graph goes a unit left. Okay, this one makes left and this one makes right, sir. Correct, no? That's how the graph moves. So this has gone right way. Check this out. At this point, what happened? There's a continuity. Means function is continuous. Correct, no? But differentiability. Slope over here, bacha, is theta. Acute. So positive. Slope over here, sir. Negative. Sir, why are you saying slope? Differentiable. What happens when differentiability? Differentiation gives you the slope of the curve. AOD, remember AOD? Differentiation gives you slope of the curve. So this curve slope, sir, is positive. This curve slope is negative. Are they equal to each other? No, sir. This is obtuse angle, bacha. This angle is a obtuse angle, sir. It'll be negative, sir. Okay. So negative and positive can't be equal to each other. It means that the slope cannot be equal to each other. Hence, non-differentiable. The LHD is coming as negative. RHD, LHD means left-hand derivative is coming as negative. Whereas RHD is coming as positive. Can they be equal? No, sir. Means non-differentiable. So I'm not giving you just the answer. I'm giving you an understanding also of this. Okay. So if I call this to be, let's say, angle alpha. 1 second. This to be angle alpha. What happens is alpha is obtuse. Obtuse and theta is acute. All of you have got the right answer, bacha. Still pay attention to this concept. Very important. Okay. So what happens is tan of alpha will be negative, sir. And this will be positive, sir. Okay. They are not equal. Hence, non-differentiable. So option B is correct. Okay. Moving on to question number 22. Number of points for which fx equals to mod x. Come on. Very good question. Mod x minus mod of x plus 1. Non-differentiable means looking for corner points. Okay, corner points, sir. Mod x is like this. Mod x plus 1, right? So graph is, bacha, 1 second. Plus 1, you have to move towards left. Yeah. But anyway, it doesn't matter, no, because when x equal to 0, you have a corner. For this, you have x equal to minus 1 as a corner. So 2 corners are there. Means 2 points you will be having at non-differentiability point. Okay. Number point will be 2, sir. Same concept. Okay. All of you answer this question. Right. 21 to 22. No answers. Option number C is correct. There are 2 points where the function is non-differentiable. Yes. Okay. It's a good question. Let's move on to bacha. Question number 23. Y equal to sin inverse of x, x root x. Differentiate this. What is the answer coming as? Pratima is saying C. Yeah, C. Why B, bacha? We have 2 points, no? What is I saying B? Why B, sir? What is a 2 point, bacha? So both the modulus function, no? Check this out. You'll have 1 point over here, 1 point over there, no? You'll have 2 corner points. When you combine them, you're going to get 2 corner points. The graph will come like this. You'll have 2 corner points. The graph will be like this, okay? If you combine these 2 graphs, it will come like this. So you have 2 corner points. That's why. Clear, Marisa? Okay? No doubt. Why 2 points? 2 corner points are there in the graph if you combine them. This is just for mod x, right? Okay. Now I'll move on to question number 23. Okay. Solve this now. 23. Come on, 23 question number 23. Solve it, bacha. What is your answer? Sin inverse of x root x. 1 upon root of 1 minus x root x the square. Now differentiate this part. If you differentiate it, it's going to become 3 by 2 x power 3 by 2 minus 1. That's it. So it will become, bacha, 1 upon, check this out, 1 minus x cube, because this is nothing but x power 3 by 2 the square, no? Cancel this. So x cube, sir. Okay, 1 minus x cube. And this will be, bacha, 3 by 2. So right here 3, right here 2. And that will be simply root x, no? 1 by 2, right? So root x. So option number is 23. Answer is Radhika is saying option number C. Correct, no? 3 root x upon 2 root 1 minus x cube. C is correct answer, bacha. C is the correct answer. Please check. Okay. All right. We'll move on to question number 24 now. All of you. Okay. Cos inverse of sin x. Y is given as cos inverse of sin x. Let's solve it quickly. Differentiate this part. Give me the answer. Come on. 24th question. Give me the answer, sir. 24th problem, sir. Y dash you have to find out. I'm waiting for your answers. Cos inverse means minus sign will come. You'll have here 1 minus sine square, right? What next? If you differentiate the sin x also, it will become cos x. So minus cos x by cos square x. Same thing, minus cos x by cos x minus 1. 24D, correct. 24D is right answer. 24D is the right answer, sir. Just few questions to go. Yes, we'll complete this now. So 24D is right answer, bacha. Right, let's move on to question number 25 now. Okay, now this problem, 25th one, solve all of you. Come on, 25th problem, solve all of you. Radhika, good answer, bacha. Pratima also right answer. 25th one, bacha, can you solve now? Okay, I'm waiting for, I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to solve this question. Let's see what is your answer. 25th question. Fifth is A, correct. Good, Variza. Answer is A only, bacha. Yes. Others, are you getting the same answer, A only? Yes. Differentiate this. Y dash will be equal to, bacha, sine inverse of this 1 upon root of 1 minus x square plus, check this out, it will become 1 upon root of 1 minus this whole thing, 1 minus x square, in the root is there, the whole square, like that. Okay, then we have, bacha, differentiate this as well. You have to apply the chain rule on this side. It will become 1 by 2 over here. Okay, this will come as it is, 1 minus x square, correct na? For this part, 1 minus x square power 1 by 2. What is differentiation? 1 by 2 will come front and this will come in denominator. Differentiate once again for this inside 1 minus x square. You'll get it as 0 minus 2x. 0 minus 2x, yes. All of you are getting the right answer. It will become 1 upon 1 minus x square. There's a minus sign over here, minus 2x will become minus 2x, okay, upon, check this out, you have 2 here in the denominator, right here 2. This, bacha, becomes, check this, will become first root 1 minus 1 plus x, okay, and this is going to be what, sir? Sorry, this is x square, no? This is x square over here. So x square is there and this will be 1 minus x square. I get 2 and 2 is cancelled. 1 is cancelled. I'm getting here 1 upon 1 minus x square minus x upon, what is this, root of x square. So x and 1 minus x square, x cancelled. We have 1 here, same thing written like this. So 0. 0 is correct answer. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yeah, that's also correct. You can take this as sine inverse of x. Are you taking, what is the assumption? You've taken x as, what have you taken x as? Cos inverse of x? Yeah. Shreyas, hi sir, I am old student. Okay. I'm not getting you, bacha. Okay. Let's move on to question number 26th. Okay. Y equal to log 7 log x, then dy by dx. Okay, how can you solve this question? Please solve question number 26. We are about to solve the all these questions, bacha. We have just 4 more to go. Check this out. What is the answer for this question number 26th? Come on, Variza, Pratima, Shaukat Ali, Kannadiga, Shreyas. Hi sir, I am a new student. Hello Shreyas. Okay, I got the conversation now. Okay. Radhika, all of you, bacha, please solve the question number 26. Okay. Still waiting for your answers. Question number 26. Come on. What is the answer, bacha? Anyone? Variza, what's the answer, sir? Pratima. Okay, I'll solve now. Okay, let me solve it. So this will become, if you check this out, it will become log x, okay, with ln a will come, so ln 7 will come, okay, log 7 will come, or ln 7, whatever you want to call, and you have to differentiate log x again, it will become 1 by x. So answer is 1 by x, log 7 and log x. Option number is, which is it? Option number A. 26, option number A is correct. Please check, all of you, what happened. Are not able to hear me? Question 26, option number A is correct. Okay. Moving on to question number 27 now. Okay. Derivative of, just have a look once again. Okay. 27 now. Chaliye. Derivative of sin inverse of x exists in the interval. Give me the answer for this. I want all of you to answer this question. It's a very good question, bacha. All of you should answer. Come on. Derivative of sin inverse of x, okay, exists in which interval? It's a very, very good question. Okay. It can be asked in the category of HOTS. Can be asked in KSAT also. Simpler question has been asked in KSAT. So for this, a question can become simple question in KSAT. Okay. So solve this question, all of you. Give it a fair try. Question number 27. Come on. Give it a fair try, sir. Derivative of sin inverse of x exists in which interval? So give it a try. Come on. Anyone? What happened? So I'll solve it now. Okay. Chaliye. Answer is going to be P. Answer is going to be option number B. How come, sir? Take derivative of this bacha, sin inverse of x. Check this out. If you take this, what is the derivative over here? 1 minus x square. Okay. Right, no? Can you take x as 1? No, sir. Can you take x as minus 1? No, sir. It cannot have that as a boundary. It will become 0, undefined. That's why for it to exist, there is a open interval of minus 1 to 1, not closed. Open interval of minus 1 to 1, not closed. Okay. So that's why your option number B is correct. Some might be thinking of option number A, but option number B is the correct answer. Okay. Chaliye. 27th is done. 28th one. Derivative of cos inverse of x. Same answer will come, bacha, because we'll have just the minus sign. So same answer will be even present over here. Chaliye. Okay. So we are about to solve all the questions. 28th is done. Let's go ahead with question number 29. Question number 29. The derivative of tan inverse of x exists in the interval. Come on. This question. Want to try? What happened? Are you not able to get it, or are you busy with something else? Chaliye. 29th question. Tan inverse of x exists in the interval, sir. Can I see your comments? Yeah. Okay, I think you were giving me the answers, but I was not able to see it. Sorry guys. It came in today's preparatory examination. So I did not see, bacha, all of these comments. I missed out. You guys were giving me the answers, but my comment section was, stopped. So 26th A you were given. Okay, I'll just cross check all of you. So 27th you gave answer for 27th as B. That's correct only. Variza has given. Samita. Okay. So 27th A option also is given. I've given you why A is incorrect. I hope you got it. Why is A is incorrect? Because of this, condition of, if you put A here, it will become undefined. That's why A is incorrect. Okay. So let's check this out. Now 28th also, I hope you got this. Why answer is correct. 28th also is correct. Okay. 29th, I think I have some answers from Shaukat Ali, Variza, Karadiga, Radhika. Answers are CCAD. CCAD. Okay. C is been given by Shaukat Ali. Variza is also giving C. Karadiga is giving C. Radhika is giving C. Okay. Pratima, bacha, actually answer is C only, sir. Okay. Check this out. Check this here. Achha, I hope you got this. No, why it is correct. You can't take x value more than 1. Can you take that? It will become negative, right? This whole thing will become negative, bacha. If I take this to, let's say, y, if you take x more than 1 or less than 1, less than minus 1, what will happen? This thing will become, bacha, y will become, this part will become more than 1, hence negative. Y will become negative. I have not said that, but I hope this is understood. This part is understood, right? Why negative? For that reason it's the range -1 to 1. Okay, what in this case? All right, Pratima, option D is incorrect bacha. Incorrect, no. Okay, derivative, please check here. Derivative of tan inverse of x, if y equal to tan inverse of x is there, what happens? Y dash will be bacha 1 upon 1 plus x square, na? Where is it defined, sir? Exists in which interval? All real. Option C is correct. Sir, if I start now to study, can I get 95% in boards? Okay, who's another Kandiga? Okay, so having some fun in the chat box. Bacha, I don't know where you stand in the preparation right now, so I can't commit. Let's say you're already getting 75 to 85% marks right now. Okay, then yes, you can get easily if you start right now, and just rush, and you have to be very honest with study. What happens is, when you're not studying, you're giving that time of study to something else, playing or whatever it is, spending with your friends, giving for food, traveling, whatever it is. Take the time out and just give it for studies. If you do that, if you're already getting 75-80% marks, then yes, you can get to 95%. But if you're, let's say, starting today at 0, okay, then it will take a lot of efforts to make that change. Don't you think? Okay, so I don't know, bacha, where you stage, what is your stage of preparation, so I can't comment on that. Okay, 29th option number C is correct. Correct, bacha. Shan Mukkappa Angadi. I hope I have taken your name right. Okay, so question number 29, option C is correct. So somebody got it wrong. I'll want to know their answers. Pratima, now it's clear, bacha. Why it is coming D, Pratima? Okay, somebody else also said the answer to be A and C. So tell me, clear now? Okay, now I'll just start with this question number 30, the last question of the day. The function fx is tan x. Okay, so y equal to tan x, discontinuous for, give me the answer for this, 30th one. Last question of the day. Last problem for today for the MCQ of continuity and differentiability. Okay, chaliye. So please solve this question and we'll complete the session quickly. All right. I'm gonna get this answer from you only, not gonna solve from my end. Okay, chaliye. Just waiting for your answer. Yes, clear, sir. Very good, bacha. Varija is saying 30 option is B. Okay. All right. Varija's answer is B. I'll wait for others. Pratima is saying B as well. Others, bacha. I said last question, so people already left. Okay, so you don't have to write this answer. Radhika is saying A. Radhika is saying A. Why, Radhika? Why A, bacha? Tan x, na? Tan of n pi. N pi means what, bacha? N pi means pi, 2 pi, 3 pi. It'll be 0 only, no? It'll be 0. Right, so it is continuous at pi only. Yeah, option number B is correct actually. For all of you getting B answer is right, sir. Okay, odd multiples of pi by 2, it is going to be infinity, undefined, sir. Graphs, graph is very, very important. Remember this graph? That's how the graph looks like, right? Okay, check this out. At 0 pi, take another kind. Okay, 2 pi, what will happen? It will be continuous only, no? Check this out. Approach from this side, it will be 0. Approach from this side, it will be 0 only, right? So continuous only. So answer is B, bacha. Whereas in this side, bacha, if you approach from here, right, it will become negative and positive infinity. This is, bacha, multiples of pi by 2. Odd multiples of pi by 2. Okay, odd multiples. 2n plus 1 is odd number or even number, sir? It's an odd number, na, sir. 2n is even, sir. Plus 1 means odd, sir. So this means odd multiples of pi by 2. Odd multiples of pi by 2. Hence, it is going to be infinity, right? So one time, if you approach from this side, it will be positive infinity. Sorry, negative infinity. And from this side, it will be positive infinity. Not sure, I'll show you. I'll show you, sir. From this side, if you approach, bacha, this number is going to be negative infinity, bacha. From his side, positive infinity, sir. Not equal to each other. Not equal to each other. Hence, undefined, bacha. Hence, undefined. Okay. So, sorry, hence discontinuous. Forgive me. Hence, discontinuous. Okay. So, we have answer as 30B because it approaches to 0. Continuity is there. Limit exists. Okay. So, answer is 30. I hope you are all clear with this. Okay. Now this completes bacha session today. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed the questions. It was easy, it was difficult, all the categories were there. Yeah, a lot of questions were there on differentiation, but All right. That's the chapter. Again, we'll be coming with another high geometry chapter in the next session of your MCQ series, which is going on right now. Till then, you have to keep working hard for whatever you're doing. Okay, your pre-boards are going on right now. I hope your pre-boards are going on right now. Okay, so please keep working hard on the subjects that is coming up next, and all the best for your preparatories. Okay, so with this, I'm gonna wind up the session. Any other questions you have, you can ask for a few minutes. Then I'm gonna end the session, bacha. So quickly, let's have some questions. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, bacha. Thank you, Pratima. Kannadiga is saying something, bacha. I can't read it. I can understand a little bit, but I can't read it. Okay, so just tell me in English. Sorry for that. Ankit sir, thank you, sir. Thank you, bacha. When? What is when, bacha? Okay, Shaukat Ali. Thank you, bacha. Okay, we have some. So some things are, a lot of things are going on platform. Anything else you want from our side, let us know. Next lesson. Okay, next lesson, bacha, again will be coming on your next Wednesday. Okay, so every Wednesday I'm coming with you to explain you the next chapter. What is that going to be? Your I think I'll take the next highway to chapter integration we can take. Okay, we'll take integration. Sorry sir, I joined class too late. No problem, bacha, you can watch this video again later. Okay, just try to be on time. I'll be on time. Okay, thank you sir, thank you, bacha. Okay, so I think you have preparatories, so go ahead, prepare for examination. Anything else you have to ask, you can ask, which is important. Otherwise we'll end the session. Okay, on integrals. Okay, bacha, I'll take on integrals. Okay, no problem. So let me know. Acha, don't worry. Acha, if you find questions to be easy, this is because questions are easy. Okay, it's not because I'm framing only easy questions. These are from NCERT. Okay, board's going to be like this only. But if you find difficult, then you need to work on it. Okay. All right, sir. So anything else? Shall I wind up? Any other questions? No, I don't see any questions now. So I'm going to end the session. See you in the next session. Okay, please be on time, because live will be scheduled on time only. Our faculties will come on time to deliver the lectures for all of you, because I know a lot of things are going in your life, so you have to be saving whatever time you can save. Okay, so this is it. See you in the next session. Till then, take care, keep working hard, keep yourself healthy. Okay, bye.